guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be the Foxy eye trend, and this is the look that I came up with. I actually think I did a really good job for it being my first time to try out this trend. In the video you're going to see that my eyebrows don't look the same. This one's going to be a little bit like not larger but higher up than this one, and it's because it's like the way I've been struggling with my hair is that where I have all these baby hairs because all my hair's been falling out. My eyebrow is starting to thin a little bit, but instead of it thinning out on the top like the way it used to, it's starting to thin out on the bottom. So I'm trying to make them look even. I tried to make them look even now that I'm looking at them like in the mirror. I still feel like it's a little bit pointy, but they looked better than the way they were in the video. Don't mind that. My eyebrows are not cooperating with me at all. I did just get a new vanity, so I'm still trying to work with the angles on how to record with it. So I might look far, I might look close, but I'm hoping that I can get the hang of it and fix it all. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.